Greetings everyone, welcome back to Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new here, my name is Monique and I'm a 51-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica, here to share nature's wisdom with you. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible medicinal uses of a sacred plant known as Tulsi. In Ayurveda, which is an Indian traditional system of medicine, Tulsi is honored with titles such as the incomparable one, Mother Medicine of Nature, and the Queen of Herbs. It is deeply revered as an elixir of life, celebrated for its unmatched medicinal benefits since medieval times, which has been validated through modern scientific research. It is also cultivated for its religious and culinary purposes and for its essential oil. So specifically, we'll be talking about what it is, its medicinal properties and uses, health benefits, how to reap its benefits, where you can get it to buy, and some precautions to consider before using it for medicinal purposes. If you are into natural healing and ancient remedies, stick around for the next round. Tulsi is a highly revered plant in Ayurvedic medicine and Hindu tradition. It's not only considered sacred in Indian households, but is also treasured for its powerful medicinal properties. Its primary accepted scientific name is Ocimum tenuiflorum, and its synonym is Ocimum sanctum, which is still widely used in literature and traditional medicine. It is also commonly known as holy basil in English and Sheng Lu Le, which is the Chinese name. Also sacred basil, Tulasi, which is used in Nepal, and Tulsi, which is its Hindi name, among other common names. It's a part of the mint family, which is also known as the Lamiaceae family, so it's closely related to well-known herbs like mint, rosemary, lavender, basil, and oregano. Tulsi is native to the Indian subcontinent and other regions that surround it, and is widely cultivated and naturalized in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including parts of Africa, Asia, the Pacific and Indian Ocean islands, the Caribbean, and yes, even right here in Jamaica. It grows as a small shrub, reaching up to 1 meter tall. The leaves are elliptic or oblong, and they can be green or purple, depending on the variety. They are oppositely arranged, slightly toothed around the edges, and they give off a fragrant odor that's hard to miss. The flowers are small and tubular, and they come in shades of lavender, pale pink or white, and they bloom along a long spike that rises above the plant. After flowering, the plant produces nutlet fruits that contain numerous seeds. The two general cultivars of Tulsi are Rama Tulsi, which is the most widely grown. This one features green leaves which are sometimes tinted purple with a sweet flavor, and Shyama Tulsi, the least common, which is known for its purplish leaves and stems and stronger aroma. It's also an edible plant. In Asian cultures, the leaves are eaten raw in salads or cooked as a pot herb. It is also used to flavor dishes that have fruit, fish, and chicken. It has a pungent flavor which becomes more pronounced when cooked. Its taste is a bold mix, reminiscent of clove, Italian basil, which is Ocimum basilicum, and the mint with a hint of peppery spice. The seeds are also used to make a type of drink. In India, it is revered by Hindus and is believed to be a manifestation of the goddess Lakshmi, the divine consort of Lord Vishnu, one of the three principal deities in Hinduism. It is often seen in courtyards and temple gardens. Now let's talk about Tulsi's powerful medicinal properties. Tulsi's medicinal properties have been extensively researched in hundreds of scientific studies, including laboratory, which is in vitro, animal, and human trials. These studies highlight its remarkable range of therapeutic actions. It has been shown to possess antimicrobial effects, so it can fight bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, parasitic worms, and even malaria parasites. Tulsi also acts as a mosquito repellent and supports the body in various ways, including being anti-diarrheal, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cataract. It has chemopreventative and radioprotective effects and protects vital organs like the liver, brain, and heart. It's also been found to help regulate blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure, and may even help prevent cancer. Additional benefits include pain relief, fever reduction, allergy relief, immune system support, calming effects on the nervous system, memory enhancement, and relief from asthma and coughs. Tulsi also helps with sweating, supports thyroid function, and has anti-fertility, anti-ulcer, anti-nausea, anti-spasmodic, anti-arthritic, and anti-stress properties. It also has properties that can control the effects of leukemia and stop blood clotting. Now that we've looked at what science has discovered about this herb, let's get into its medicinal uses. Tulsi is traditionally believed to support overall health and longevity when consumed daily. It's valued not only for helping the body resist disease and adapt to daily stress, but also for enhancing vitality and well-being. It is even said to promote a radiant complexion, a pleasant voice, and to nurture qualities like beauty, intelligence, endurance, and emotional balance. It's also regarded as a tonic for the mind, body, and spirit, and is deemed a cure to many modern-day maladies. The parts of the plant that are used to make medicine are the leaves, flowers, stems, and seeds. Its application is usually done orally or topically in the form of fresh leaves, tea, infused oil, poultices, dried powder, or juice. Traditionally, it has been a trusted household remedy for a wide variety of conditions, including fever, sore throat, the common cold, coughs, asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, catarrh, spasms, jaundice, headaches, stress and anxiety, stomach disorders, heart and artery conditions, inflammation, poisoning, malaria, diarrhea, dysentery, arthritis, rheumatism, back pain, eye diseases, low libido, insect bites, snake and scorpion bites, and various skin disorders, nausea and vomiting. Externally, it is used as an antiseptic to treat skin infections and spots. Crushed Tulsi leaves are applied directly to minor cuts, insect bites, and skin irritations to reduce inflammation and fight infection. Tea made from the leaves is consumed to help calm the nerves and uplift the spirit during times of stress. It has been used to ease headaches and indigestion. The root decoction is taken as treatment for malarial fevers. The seeds are used to treat disorders of the urinary and reproductive systems. The whole plant is used to treat nausea and vomiting. Dried Tulsi leaves have been placed among stored grains as a natural way to repel insects. The leaves are rich in antioxidants, which can help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can contribute to chronic diseases. It helps ease symptoms of colds, coughs, asthma, and even bronchitis. Its natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help clear the airways and soothe the throat. It's loaded with the essential oils eugenol, citronellol, and linalool, which have antimicrobial properties that can help to boost immunity. It calms anxiety and promotes relaxation when faced with stress and panic attacks, helping the body adapt to physical, emotional, and environmental stress. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and supports liver detoxification, which in turn aids digestion, reduces bloating, and can relieve stomach cramps. Tulsi may help improve metabolic conditions such as regulating blood sugar levels in diabetics, reducing bad cholesterol, and regulating blood pressure in hypertensive persons. It can help you to lose weight. It may be able to support wound healing because of its antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties. Its natural antibacterial properties make it effective in fighting acne and breakouts. Research also suggests that Tulsi supports healthy skin aging thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects, which help soothe redness, reduce pigmentation, calm irritation, and minimize swelling. To reap the benefits of Tulsi, you can use it in several effective and accessible ways, depending on your needs and preferences. One of the most popular ways to reap its benefits is to make tea with its leaves, simply by steeping a few of its fresh or dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and then consuming it before going to bed. A simple way to reap its benefits is to chew 3 to 5 fresh leaves daily on an empty stomach, or add them to your salads, soups, smoothies, etc. You can mix half to 1 teaspoon of the dried powdered leaves in warm water or smoothies. You can add a few drops of the tincture or extract in water or under the tongue as directed. This offers fast absorption for stress relief, immunity boost, respiratory health, and detox support. Tulsi essential oil can be diluted with a carrier oil and applied on the pulse point of your wrist or used in a diffuser. This calms anxiety and panic attacks, relieves stress and headaches, improves focus, and clears respiratory passages. You can also do steam inhalation by adding fresh leaves to hot water, covering your head with a towel and inhaling the steam. This clears nasal congestion, soothes colds, and supports respiratory health. You can also extract the juice from the plant by blending fresh leaves with water and consuming it on its own or mixed with other juices. To enjoy its skin benefits, you can use Tulsi in several ways. You can sip it as a tea, apply it as a face mask, or enjoy it in a facial steam. You can find Tulsi products in health food stores, herbal shops, online retailers, and even some supermarkets. The types of products available are diverse depending on how you want to use it. For example, you can get tea blends, loose leaves, powders, supplements, tinctures, and essential oils. To take a look at some of the products available, please click on the links in the description below. While Tulsi is generally safe for most people when used in moderation, here are some precautions to consider. Before using it for medicinal purposes, please speak to your medical doctor, especially if you have an underlying health issue or you're taking prescribed drugs. Tulsi is not recommended during pregnancy, or while breastfeeding, as its safety hasn't been fully established in these cases. It can lower blood sugar and thin the blood, so if you're on medication for diabetes or taking anticoagulants, you'll want to consult your healthcare provider before using it. Though rare, some people may be allergic to it. Always start with a small amount and observe how your body reacts. It may have side effects which include nausea and diarrhea, and it might decrease the levels of thyroxine in persons with hypothyroidism. And that wraps up today's video on the medicinal wonders of Tulsi. If you've ever used this amazing herb, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with someone who loves natural remedies. And subscribe to Earth's Medicine for more herbal wisdom with a Jamaican twist. And turn on your post notifications so you never miss another video from your favorite herbal channel. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay rooted, stay well, and stay blessed.